Welcome to Creole and Cajun Living with Bomb Cherry. In this video, I will be showing you how I make my Southern style neck bones with brown gravy. Okay, so I will be using my crock pot, and here are some of the items I will be using, and they will be listed in the description box below. Okay, so the first thing I've done was wash and clean my neck bones. And so here I am placing them into the crock pot. I'm adding just enough water to cover the neck bones completely. Here's an example of what I mean by just make sure that they're completely submerged. So it's about 7 a.m. my time, and so I'm going to cook these all day. So I'm going to place them on high for about 8 hours. Okay, so here I'm adding in all my spices. I added the spices together, placed them in one container, and I'm just simply adding it to the pot all at once. Here I'm going to add in my bouillon cubes, but if you like, you could add in some beef or chicken stock. Here I am peeling and cutting my potatoes to size. Here I'm adding in the potatoes. You want to make sure that they also are submerged completely in water. Okay, so here I am slicing and dicing up my onions. Here I'm adding in my onions, and I'm going to make sure that they are completely submerged within the liquid as well. I'm going to place the lid on and allow this to cook anywhere from 8 to 10 hours. Okay, so I walk downstairs and I see that the crock pot has automatically switched to warm, which means it cooked a complete 10 hours. Okay, so the next step is for me to actually make my gravy. Okay, so I'm going to start off with 1 cup of water and an equal amount of flour. Okay, so you want to make sure that your water isn't hot or warm. That will create lumps within your mixture. Okay, so you want to mix this really well, ensuring that you have no lumps within this mixture. Okay, after ensuring that I have no lumps, I'm now going to add in my Kitchen Bouquet. I'm carefully going to fill up a capful and pour it right in. Okay, so now I'm going to take my gravy mixture and just add it to the pot and mix it up very well. Okay, so I'm going to add in enough water to cover everything up once again. Place it on high and allow this to cook for about 45 minutes. Okay, so here we are 45 minutes later, and it is done. And all we have to do is have my taste tester give me the okay. Come on, you're gonna be tasting. Yeah. Wait, don't bump into that. There you go. Yummy. Yummy. You guys can Yummy. Every single life on the planet, but you got it. It's pretty good. Now we are on to Todd. Not bad. This is a multiple fiction because this one I wanted to show something specific. Some cool knives here though. We have there's a Shiro because he did send some other close-ups. Pretty nice Shiro. Yeah. Nice CT. I don't remember what this one is. I can't remember if you said anything or not. I didn't copy and paste everything, so unless it was because some of you did take the time to explain what everything was, and I do appreciate that, and it's very nice of you to do, and I encourage you to keep doing it. But obviously, not what's this though? Protex Mordax. Protex Mordax. That's a phrase I just said. The Fair and Forge drop Protect Mordax. It's some kind of benchmade with some aftermarket scales on it. A very nice Manix 2 with a nice aftermarket clip on it and some carbon scale and a PNC that we will talk about in just a moment. And that might be a Jurassic. Maybe it is a Jurassic. I didn't look. I can't tell because part of it's covered up. You may recognize this knife. No, we just got one more guy. Well, like my little taste tester, everyone in the household enjoyed the meal as well. Now, although I'm only recording me making the neck bones, of course I had to make a vegetable of some sort, which in this case were green beans, and my famous homemade cornbread. Sweet cornbread, that is. You cannot eat neck bones without some type of cornbread, baby. Now, if you've taken the time to watch this video, please hit the thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and make sure to subscribe.